What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So something crazy happened yesterday. Zoos put up a video that basically announced a new bike. So in the last couple of days, if you've been paying attention to their account and their website, 750s are done being made, 1100s are done being made, 750s are already sold out. There's a few 1100s left that you can buy. They're discounted, but they're no longer going to be made. So everyone was kind of freaking out for a day and a half, and then Zoos dropped this video. Let me play it for you. Watch along with you and play.
Did you really think that we were going to get rid of the bike that started it all? This time, same is very different.
Okay, so right off the bat, a few things, but I want to play it again slower for you so you can see what I saw, what I'm working with here. This was slowed down courtesy of our friend James. Oh yeah, okay, all right. Yep. Very slow. Okay, all right. Yeah, look at that. That hub. Okay, cool. That's the end of this one. Okay. So a few things jump out right off the bat. The new sticky sweet tires. We knew these were going to be coming to other models. I assumed they were going to be coming to the 750 and 1100, but it looks like they made a thinner version of the sticky sweet tire. The sticky sweets are 3.2 on the flex, and they're on a bigger rim on the flex, wider rim. These rims are definitely, as far as I can tell from, I mean, I can't really zoom in that much, but from what I can tell, these are regular bike rims, like the ones that were on the 750 and the 1100. So I think they made a thinner sticky sweet tire. Maybe they're 2.6, 2.8. I don't think they're going to be any wider than that unless they actually widened the frame, which I don't think they did. Get to that in a minute. So I think yeah, sticky sweets, they're great tires, so they're going to be on this new model. Second thing I noticed, bigger battery. It looks like the Flex battery. It looks like the same shape, the same size. It looks exactly like mine that's on the Flex, which has slightly higher amp hours. I think it's 26 amp hours, which is pretty good. It's constructed from better battery cells, and it's got an improved locking mechanism with a better tray that locks it into place. It's a little more sturdy and rigid, and you know, your battery's not going to fall out. So the clip mechanisms are better, you know. That's the second thing I noticed. Third thing I noticed, here's a little zoomed up image. So you see there 52V. So we're looking at a 52 volt, 750 W, 750 watt. This, I think what this is a beefed up version of the 750 motor. It looks small enough to be a geared drive, not the direct drive that was on the 1100 and that I think is on the 1200 as well. So it looks like a lightweight geared drive, but instead of 48 volts, it's 52 volts, but still at the 750 watt mark. So what it looks like to me, and if I had to guess, is that this will be, it'll deliver all of the torque that you expect from the 750 for climbing hills, for getting off the line a little quicker, but it will still give you the power and top speed of the 52 volt 1100 battery. 1100 motor. So, and when you combine it with the battery, I think you're going to get sustained power, longer distance, higher speeds, and better torque. So that's a really good combination. I think what they're doing is they're trying to give you the best of both worlds between the 750 and the 1100, and then maybe what they're going to do is get rid of two models and just have this new one that is supposedly, what I think anyway, the best of the two worlds combined. And then last, I mean, I got this one other video here, also from James. Let's see. Let me play it for you. Play. He's just going back and forth a bunch of times between a picture of his bike, which is the black 750, and the new bike. You can see the frame looks very similar. The battery obviously is bigger on the new one. It looks like the same sort of brake system, the same cranks. The one thing I did notice from the Zoo's original video, and I'll play it again for you right now. Play.
Did you really think that we were going to get rid of the bike that started it all?
The stem has more clearance above the front end of the frame. So I think that problem that some people had with their stem light hitting the frame at like 180, not in 180 degrees, but like a little over 90 degrees, somewhere in there, I think that will no longer hit the frame. It looks like it has clearance now. So that's another good improvement. So that I mean, from what I can tell, that's everything I can see. 4 major items from these videos, these very short videos. New sticky sweet tires, bigger battery, stronger motor for a 750 geared hub, and the frame has a little more clearance from the stem light. My thoughts, this kind of sets the stage for the Zoo's brand, and it seems like, as I was saying before, they're trying to streamline the hardtail models into just one bike instead of having the 750, the 1100, and then a while back the 250. There were 3 different models. So now I think they're just streamlining it into one, if I had to guess, which is cool, and I think that's smart. And then for the suspension model, they have the Flex, which has a little bit more of a boosted motor, and I think is great for playing around for people who want more speed, more range. You can mess around. You can fill up that triangle with a bigger battery. Talk to the guys at Powerful Lithium, get set up with something, you know, that'll get you 100 miles range or whatever. And that frame has the balls to carry a little bit more weight on it. The one thing I did hear through the grapevine is that there was going to be a smaller version of the Flex for shorter riders to accommodate people that are, you know, not quite as tall, or that are on their tippy toes or leaning when they're on the bigger Flex frame. So what I heard was a 20-inch wheel Flex. I don't know if that's true. I have not contacted Chris to ask him if that's true or not. I'm just putting it out there, so you know, don't bet on that. But that's what I heard. So that could be fun. That could be cool. So you'll have like a mini Flex, a big Flex, and then this hardtail, which seems to combine the best of both worlds for 750 and 1100 models of the past. So I think that's it. Let me see. Let me look at these photos again, see if there's anything else I'm missing. Yeah, that's it. I mean, there might be something new today. I think the caption on the video said more coming tomorrow. That's today. Maybe I'll have to update this little video here once that happens. But for now, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.